Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on Mentellect Patreon. When the Ahmen fell into the Earth's third dimension, when they fell down from the fourth dimension and dropped into the third dimension of this Earth's atmosphere, when everything was coming together, when everything was being aligned, when the elements, the places, the elements and everything were being formed, right, as dark matter, when all this thing was coming about, and your first creatures on the Earth, being your reptilians, your dinosaurs and all them, the first creatures to walk on the Earth, right, to, basically, do work for the Earth, pull Earth's, land masses out of the water, stomp out Earth's atmosphere, because everything was, a lot of it was still hilly, and a lot of it was, because of the explosions in the Earth, and a lot of hills and a lot of mountains. There was more mountain ranges than what you see now. The reason why you don't see the mountain ranges is because a lot of the dinosaurs and the reptilians were used to stomp out the mountains. They broke mountains down and stomped them out into flat surface. A lot of the mountains, a lot of the mountain area and things were underwater, and they had to be underwater for the purpose of cooling, because a lot of heat, a lot of transmission, thus bringing heat. The transmission went into that which was dimensional space, right? Filling it up with thought and action of sending these thoughts and continuous actions into a space, and thus bringing it into a state of being, into material form, sending it in its burned image, because so much power, so much heat, so much force, so much transmission was sent into that space to burn it in its dark matter into that dimension, into those first dimensional shifts that were being added into the third dimension. So thus, as these things were being formed, like in a molding, the material was being formed, the dark matter was being formed in a molding known as dimensions, or what they call belt, right? Because they know Earth is held in a square belt, or a square dimensional belt. There are many square dimensional belts. That's what holds Earth in place. Earth is held in place by a square dimensional point, and the atmosphere is in a circular type of bubble. For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to Mentellect Patreon. Go to Mentellect Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to Mentellect Patreon and join the American Republic. And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with Newbin Minkari.